Hi there! My name is Lisa Swartz, and this past week I graduated from Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, summa cum laude with my BS in physics and with minors in philosophy and environmental studies. Woohoo! I'm really passionate about the environment and climate change and hope at some point to use my physics education to enact positive change in that field. But first, I saw an opportunity to make a change in a very direct way by campaigning for the CSU, the California State University System, to divest from fossil fuels. You may already know that over 50% of universities in the UK have divested already, and over 190 educational institutions worldwide like ours have divested, including the University of California system, redistributing those funds into more promising opportunities, such as in the renewable energy field. And interestingly, the UC cited only financial pragmatism, not climate change, as the rationale for doing so. I too did some research that uncovered that indeed divestment doesn't have to be a compromise between the planet and the financial. For instance, that since 2015, over 200 US oil and gas producers have filed for bankruptcy. 200, revealing debt racking into the hundreds of billions of dollars, which of course sent plummeting returns to all of those that had invested in them. And just today, December 9th, it was announced that New York State has committed to a fossil-free portfolio, with the fund manager asserting that investing in the low-carbon future is essential to protect the fund's long-term value, and that safeguarding the retirement savings of over 1 million New York workers was its top priority. And this is especially monumental because pension funds tend to be more conservative investors who stay out of the political. And so for a major investor to divorce themselves from fossil fuels sends a very strong market signal that climate change is a financial risk. And so I am confident as well that removing our CSU taxpayer money and donor money from such a volatile and ultimately downturning industry will in fact help us. And so I'm confident it is a really big goal, but also an attainable goal, and just needs people like us to light the tinder. And so I will be coordinating a campaign starting in January, including reaching out to the CSU Board of Trustees, the CSU Academic Senate, the CSSA, and at the individual colleges level, the endowment boards, academic senate, student groups, and community groups. Some actions that I can see as being part of the effort are resolutions in the Academic Senate and faculty signed letters stating support. And importantly, I would really like to spread the movement across the entire CSU to every single campus. And so I've already launched the first arm of the project, which is a petition with a letter that I wrote. And if this is something you agree with and are comfortable with, I would love if you could sign it and pass it on to any family, friends, or colleagues that support climate action, support the CSU, support the stewardship of our taxpayer money to sign the petition. From my research, it looks like divestment movements rarely win without widespread demonstrated public support. So the petition is just getting off the ground now, but I have a lot of hope for our webs to take it far. So thank you so much for watching this. If you have any ideas or resources that could help me, particularly other faculty connections at other CSU campuses that would support this project, I would be very grateful in welcoming any help that I can get. And all of my information is in the description of the video, including the link to the petition. So thank you so much again for watching, and have a wonderful rest of your day.